Hello class, sorry. My name is Woody and I'm going to show you for my second topic. It's about, let's see. Yeah, this is my second topic, designing, defining and changing CSS3 transition without custom libraries. Okay, let's see quickly what is the as I say, my name is Woody Ravlin. It's my presentation for CIT 261, and I think the topic is the 11. Okay, the topic is designing, defining, and changing CSS3 transition without custom libraries. So first of all, we have to have the property or the properties for your transition. Like you have to know where to apply the property, like the padding, color, or etc. And you have to define the duration of the transition, like 1 second, 2 second, etc. And we have to define the function that specify the transition animation speed. Like we have the ease. The ease, it's the transition effect with a slow start, then fast, then end slow. We have the linear. We have the ease in, ease out, and the last one is ease in out. So for the linear, the transition effect with the same speed from the start to end. Ease in, the transition effect with a slow start. Is out, the transition effect with a slow end. Is in out specifies a transition effect with a slow start and end. Okay. We have to define the delay, like the length of time to delay the start of a transition. And this is the syntax for a transition. Like let's say we have the transition property, the transition duration, the transition timing function, and the transition delay. Okay, this is the syntax for all transition. Okay, this is the source that I use. You can go on the source. Thank you guys for watching. But to finish, I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of my transitions. Yeah, this is the code, okay, and this is the CSS. Okay, so I'm going to let's see how that works. This is my GitHub repository with the one.github.io. When you click on it, you will see the homepage. So you can click on this link, CIT261 class, or this one. Both are okay. Click on this. Number 11 topic, it's transition, CSS3 transition. I click on it, and I make a transition with some two photos. Like when I make the mouse over, when I pass the mouse over the picture, you will see a second picture. It's a transition, as you can see. Okay, you see. Okay, this is what I find for my topic, and this is what maybe I have to understand better. I have to do to deeply search on it and to see how I can make my transition better, or I can understand it better. So guys, this is my presentation. As I say, thank you for watching, and see you under the scene.